Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add a WhatsApp button to your Wix site. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your Wix management site, then you have to tap onto edit site. After clicking onto Wix website editor, wait until the page loads, then I will show you the next steps. Wait until the page is completely loaded. So as you can see, it is loaded. Now at the top right corner you can see this plus icon, add elements. You just simply have to tap onto add elements. Now from here you can tap onto this image button, and from there you can upload or add image. You can search for WhatsApp and the logo might show you. Okay, then we can upload image. So let's download a WhatsApp logo from let's go here. You can see, let's download this one. Let's download as JPG file. Let's go to downloads and let's save it. So there we go. Now let's upload a image from here. So as you can see, this one, let's open up, and there we go. Now we are gonna tap onto add to page after it loads completely, and there we go. This is how you can add a WhatsApp logo to your page, as you can see here. So let me show you where's the WhatsApp logo. Wait until okay, let's go upwards and go to this site again. So there we go. You can see this right here. So let's go and customize it. Let's make it smaller and let's add it at a corner. So as you can see, the WhatsApp logo has been added right here. So as you can see, the WhatsApp is now added. Now right click on it and you have to tap on to pin to screen, and this one will now always be shown on your WhatsApp site. Okay, now let's add a link, WhatsApp link to this site. Okay, so as you can see, this link option, you just have to tap onto it and you have to copy your WhatsApp link. Okay, you have to choose your home page. Also you can choose all other pages if you wish to. You can add new pages also, and you have to tap done. And now let's add a link. So let's add a link to it. Okay, let's search for WhatsApp link creator. Okay, now let's tap enter and you will find a lot of website which will create or generate a link for you, WhatsApp link for you. Just create a link easily. So you just create a link from there, and after clicking on copying the link, you have to tap onto web address right here, and after copying the link from any other site, just paste the link right here and then tap done, and that's it. Your WhatsApp logo and link is now added to your page of your Wix website. This is as simple as that. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and see you on to other videos.